Yes, we are back. Hello and welcome back to Medi Wellness YouTube channel. Today we will be making grated potato and egg pancake. Let's start with ingredients. This is what we need. Grated potatoes, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, eggs, flour and salt. We will start with lightly cooking the potatoes. Place cooking oil in pan on fire. Add onions and stir. Add tomatoes and stir. Add potatoes and stir. Add salt. Add desired spices. Stir and cook for 2 minutes. Set aside. Now, add flour to eggs and stir. Heat frying pan and add oil. Mix with the rest of ingredients together. Pour the mix onto the pan. The edges will begin to brown. After 2 minutes, turn over. After 2 minutes, the bottom side will be cooked and it is ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.